The solution is you and me and everybody here. I said the solution is you and me and everybody here. This is what we have to do. Number one, we have to unite. I say we have to unite because Museveni has played the game of divide and rule, dividing us along tribal lines, dividing us along religious lines. Now he's dividing us according to class. The poor on one side and the rich on one side. But I have to tell you, my brothers and sisters, that today in Uganda there are only two sides: the oppressed and the oppressor. And the oppressed are in every tribe, and the oppressors are also in every tribe. For example, I will tell you this: if Museveni wants to make the people of Teso poor, he's going to choose one person from Teso, overfeed him or her, make them rich, give them all the rights to commit crime, and that person is going to be used to step on everybody. That has happened here, that has happened in every region in Uganda. So we must unite along our problems, because we have the same problems and the same solution. Number two, we have to put an end to Museveni's rule. I said we have to put an end to Museveni's rule. We have voted him out already. We must continue voting him out. But that is not enough. We must divide, we must devise, we must establish, we must coin out another solution that will escort the election. When we stand together firmly and say enough is enough, Museveni will be no more. And guess what will happen when Museveni is no more? All Ugandans are going to be equal. I want to tell you that Teso has ever been rich and Teso can be rich again. Cotton is still a cash crop and this soil can still grow cotton again. The fruits, the oranges and other fruits that you grow can be processed from here and marketed at better prices. There can be a better. But let me stick to English. My friends, there's a university here. But I was also told that it's unfair the terms upon which students are admitted there. Today, Soroti is supposed to be producing the best pilots, not only in Uganda but East Africa. But whatever happened to the flying school, God knows. So I am here to tell you, my brothers and sisters, that these things can change. Don't just look at me as a solution alone. You also are a solution. To the young people here, you keep looking at politicians as solutions. But I'm here to remind you that politics is too serious a matter to leave only to the politicians. Get involved. Get involved. When I was watching there, I liked seeing young people here saying, I'm running in this constituency, I'm running in this constituency. Run and challenge all those politicians. I am talking to you, the young people here. I am talking to you, the elders here. This is your country. Some of us are in danger. I am telling you this because I want everyone here to be like me. And it is possible. Encourage your friends. For as long as somebody is standing for what is right, support that person. I say for as long as somebody is standing for what is right, support that person. I I know they are going to bring guns here. I know they are going to bring money here. But I'm here to remind you too that people power is stronger than people in power.